Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about calculate table tax function. Basically calculate table function is used to create a new table with some filter. Suppose you have a data set, okay, full data set, and you want to create a new table by applying some filter like that. So let's go with how we can implement this tax function in our Power BI model. So this is our data set. Click to our. So you see that we have a multiple columns here, overall hourly clicks, date, time, and all these things. So we will create a new table with having some filter like that. So as you see that we can take a reference of this column, overall hourly clicks. So you see that there are multiple values in overall hourly clicks. 369, it is start from 369 to there are many big values existing here. Okay, so what we do, we will create a new table in which overall hourly clicks is greater than 1000. Okay, so we will neglect all these values below 2000. So let's go how we will create it. So for this you click on table tools and then new table. You can give any name to this table like filter table. I'm giving filter table name to this table. After that, calculate table. You see that he this function wants table name. So what is our table name? It is click date. Okay, after that you have to apply a filter. What type of filter you want? So we will apply a filter to our overall hourly clicks column. Okay, so we want all these data which is having overall hourly clicks greater than 1000. Close the bracket, hit enter. So you see that we got all the columns value. Okay, but the overall hourly clicks is greater than 1000. So you can see that we have a value starting from 1003. So below the 1000 we have already filtered out all the values here. So you can utilize these new table as per your requirement. You can do anything. You can filter out to any column values and you can get all the columns. It is not happen that you will get only one column in which you apply the filter. You will get all the values with respect to that filter. I hope you like it. If you have any queries or some suggestion, please comment on my video and please like and subscribe my channel for these useful videos. Thank you.